He threw the racket again. Hello, welcome back to PingSunday. Truls Moregard is a very good player. Why Jon is so angry about him? Jon simply gave up the last point and refused to shake hands with Moregard. Why Jon is so angry? He also wants to throw the racket. He is from Sweden, but today many players call Truls Moregard the hexagonal warrior because he loves throwing the racket. It is not the first time. Why does Moregard get the yellow card? Why Jon is so angry and upset here? Jon swept Swedish star Moregard in the 2020 Hungarian Open. However, in the